So today's video is a little bit different. I'm actually very excited to do this. I'm trying to limit myself to like a corner just so that you don't see what's going on around me. But good news, I got promoted. So I actually get like a bigger room now and I have to move to my new room. It's awesome. I love my new room, and this is just a video of me rearranging the whole thing and decorating. So let's go ahead with the video. So this is basically what my room looks like. I have two separate beds which I have to join and use together. Then I have one big cupboard here, and I have this mirror table, one other cupboard here, and that is like the window. So yeah, let's get to working with this room. First I will hoover. Okay. I think the closest one we have here. You with my nails. Imagine. I'm so bothered by this because the cupboard is literally taking like a little bit of space here. This bit of space, that's what's bothering me. Like I want this to be here so that here I have space then. This is just unnecessary bit of space. Like what? I give up. I can't move this. Like no way. I will just move this to the back. This bit of space, even in my other room, I had it like I kept my like there's the stock of water bottles that you buy here. I keep it inside there. Colors I'll use it for the same reason. Can't help. I will just push this to the back, back to its original. I'm making up the whole building. Comes. Done. Nope. I know it doesn't look like much, but I finished hoovering the whole place. So now I moved like the beds there just for now. And I have this here. I moved the cupboard, hoovered that part, and I moved the cupboard to the very end. And even here I moved some of the stuff here and hoovered all this. So now the whole room is just hoovered. Now let's move the stuff around to the place where I want them to be. For now I'll keep it there because I've ordered some lights and stuff, and if it has to power with the lights, it needs a plug point which is here, and that's too far, so maybe I'll have to bring it here, but for now I'll keep it there. So this is what my room looks like. I have moved the two beds together. I have this cupboard placed here, and I have the mirror here. Then I have the two side tables here, but maybe I might bring one of these side tables here. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's still something that I have to decide. The black cupboard is there. This white cupboard is still here. I can't do anything about it. This space is empty. No, this space will also just be empty. I'll put the water in there. There's nothing you can do about it. The only problem is that, of course, everybody wants a plug point to be like right here or on the other side there, but it does not come that way. This room is not made to have one big bed. It's made to have two separate beds. So the plug points are here. One is middle here, and one is in the middle there. And so I might have to plug in an extension cord, bring the cord from here, and keep it here so that I can plug my phone in while I'm in bed. Even though I have like a big bed, maybe like a big bed, I don't know what you can call this, but even though I have like a double bed, normally I sleep on only one side. I will choose one side and I will sleep on it. Basically, I'll have something going on here, which is like a surprise until it comes over, because I am super excited about it, and it was one of my biggest dreams to have it. So yeah. So the first day is kind of done. I have brought the two beds together. I have like arranged the room basically, and I hoovered the place, but I have to mop the place. But I'm not gonna do it because there's still like bugs. I don't know. I'm not gonna call it an infestation, but like there's too many bugs, and so they will come and do an extermination kind of for the bugs, like spray the place. So until then, I'm not gonna mop the place, but yeah. So after that, then I'll mop the place, and then I'll start the interior decor. End of the first day. Hi guys, so today is the second day of organizing my room, and I am off tomorrow. And today I did a morning shift, so I came back, slept, woke up, and it's 2 in the morning now, and I decided I will start cleaning up my room because I don't know, I just felt like it. And today I am working with these things. I have a few things here that I need to organize, put up on the walls, and then I have these two which I ordered from IKEA, and I am super excited to set them up. So yeah, let's get on with the day. Before we move on further, I have another order that I want to unbox with you. This is again from Bath and Body Works, and I don't know what it is, but at this point there's no other word other than calling it like a sickness. Like, I don't know what's going on with me. Every month at least 200 Riyal worth Bath and Body Works, I place an order, and I like it, makes me happy. So colors, I bought it, and they released their whole Christmas collection, and I bought one of each. There's like 6 bottles in the Christmas collection. I bought one of each, so colors, and it's here. So let's unbox it. The blue packaging, and we have it. Something new this time. Voila. Okay. Strawberry and snowflakes. Then winter berry wonder. Snowflakes and cashmere. Frosted coconut snowball. This is what I'm most excited about, because I am a huge lover of coconut, the smell of coconut in perfumes. I don't know, may call me crazy, but it's super awesome. Then we have fireside flurries. And lastly, gingham. This is not part of the Christmas range, but their offer is you buy 2 for 60 Riyal. So it's nice. So I had to buy 6 bottles for the discount to like apply properly. And let's try frosted coconut snowball. Nice. Sure. You know, this reminds me of Victoria's Secret's Coconut Passion. It smells exactly like that. So nice. the snowflake is in pink. So nice. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna start from probably by hanging up. Yeah, by hanging up this. It's the first thing that makes me excited. This is if you wanted to to fix it into the wall, and that's unnecessary for me. So I am done. Super lightweight. Right. This one is a bit difficult. I don't know if I will attempt this today itself. I have to think about it. For now, let me try to get the bed sheets here. Okay, so I kind of changed it. I had the red bed sheet here, but the pillowcase here, but I changed it into blue because everything is basically blue. So for now, at least, it's gonna be all blue, and then maybe later I will buy proper red bed sheets because I don't know, it just popped out. The color just popped out, and I want it. So yeah. Let me at least give a try to set this up. It's not heavy at all. By IKEA. So we're supposed to have 4 of this. We have the 4 here, then 4 of this, which is the ones here, then 2 of this, 4 of this, 2 of this, 4 of this, then 4 of this, so the 4 here, then this thingy, which I'm assuming is this, so done, then this thingy, which is this black thing, then this thingy, which I am not going to use, but where is it? Oh, it is here. This one here. No, actually this is the one that I'm not going to use because this is supposed to fit it into the wall, and I'm not going to be doing any wall fitting. Then we have this here, which is basically this thing. So done. I have all the pieces. First step is for the wall thingy. I'm gonna skip it. Then this thing. All right, so this is the black. and it's already got the holes. So yeah, IKEA is making it very easy for us. Let's go ahead and do it. For the first step, it's to screw in these inside. Okay. What? My hands hurt. No way, I cannot do this. Let me bring something that won't hurt my hands. It says here, do with your hand, but no way, no. Let me go find something. Try using like a cloth. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, much better. Okay, so the easy part is done. The thing is that this part should come here in the middle. So now let's move on to that. As per the instructions, I have to turn the table to the side and then put this part in and screw it in. So yeah, let's do it. So you keep it like this and exactly here. Wow, IKEA, that is awesome. Okay. And you make a note of it like okay, so for this table I have it only set up like this for now. I have to install this piece here in the middle, but I need a screwdriver, and without the screwdriver it's just way too difficult. So I will leave it like that for now. Tomorrow I will go outside and buy a screwdriver. It's my off day, and that's it for now. Basically, this is kind of what my room looks like for now. End of the second day. See you again on the third day. Bye.